Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create courses in WordPress using AI. Because in 2026, if you will waste your time in creating courses manually, then someone else will occupy your market. So for this we will use the plugin CurriculumKit. It has the AI features native in it. So let's go to the website, WordPress dashboard. Here I'll go to wpkits.io. And here I will create a new chat. So let's create a simple course first. Here you can see this is a very simple course. So first we will create this course, a very simple course. We will go here, we will add in this, we will just say create a course with this content. So let's proceed. It will take a few seconds to complete. So the course is created. Here you can see, and let's go and verify this. We will go to the course, refresh the page. Here you can see this course is created, AI Agent Masterclass. Here you can see AI Agent Masterclass 2026 build practical agent AI system. Here you can see AI Agents Masterclass 2026 build practical agentic AI system. So let's see on the front end. Here you can see the course is created. 3 lessons. Here you can see, and here you can see. As an admin, I can see these courses, and this is free as well. So 3 courses, 3 topics, 3 lessons. Each lesson have 3 topics. So let's see this plugin in the course builder. This course in the course builder, we will go to the course builder, and here you can see that this is the course name, and here we have these 3 lessons, and when we will expand it, there will be 3 topics as well. Here you can see, and by clicking on pencil icon you can make the changings whatever you want to make, and you can add some more topics and more quizzes. So it's all up to you, but the AI agent created this course very efficiently. You can see this. Here you can see this. So let's go and create a little bit complex course. Like here you can see, now this is the course, and now we have, previously we were having 3 lessons and 3 topics. Now what we will have, we have week 1, and week 1 have 1, 2, 3 lessons, and each lesson have 5 topics. And just to show the efficiency of the AI, I did not write here I did not mention the topics. Like here we mentioned topic 1, 2, 3, but here I did not mention that. So let's see, let's go for the week 2. Here you can see this is week 2, and again we have 3 lessons, and each lesson have 5 topics, and then we have week 3, week 4, and week 5. So this is a complex course. So let's copy it. Let's copy it, and yes, here we have this course, and with 5 weeks. Okay, again we will go to the AI assistant, and here we will write create a course, and here we will paste it, and let's do it. It will take a little bit more time because now we have more content. You can see that it will take a little bit more time than normal, because you can see it is huge content that he need to. Here you can see it's created. So let's go to the courses, refresh the page. Here it will be appear. Here you can see this courses appear. Here you can see this is the same course, AI Engineer course 2026 complete AI Engineer Bootcamp. Here you can see AI Engineer course 2026 complete AI Engineer Bootcamp. So let's see on the front end first. Here you can see it added the section, then 3 lessons, and each lesson will have 5 topics. Here you can see 5 topics. Here you can see 5 topics. Now here you can see the week 2, and again it has the 5 topics. 4, and here you can see the 5. In the same way 3 lessons and 5 topics. So now let's go and create little bit more complex. Now we will give it a prompt, just like a non-technical person gave the text prompt. He will, of course, he will add so much noise in the text. He will extra explain the things, just like I explained here. Please set up a full course inside CurriculumKit for me. The course title should be this. I already have the structure ready, so please do not invent different lesson name and topic names. So, and now he is telling him the first to create the week 1, and he told him this is the week name, and in week 1 there will be lessons. The first lesson should be this, and inside the lesson there will be 5 topics, and he then now he mentioned those 5 topics names. And in the same way it's a huge prompt. Let's go to the again WP Kits AI, and here I will paste this prompt. So, and now I will, yes, so we will wait a little bit more, because this time it will, here you can see it created the course. Let's see on the go to the courses, refresh, yes, AI Automation Builder. So let's see what was the course name. Course name was AI Automation Builder 2026 Workflows, AI Agents and Business Systems. So here you can see, no, here you can see we have this. Let's see on the front end. AI Automation Builder 2026 Workflows, AI Agents and Business Systems. So this course is created. Here you can see it detected the week name, section names. You can see these are the sections, and then these, after these sections, below these sections we have the lessons, and lessons will have some topics. Here you can see that everything. Let's see this in the builder, course builder. So we can see it is actually doing work properly. Here you can see this is the section, and then these are the lessons. You can see this is section and these are the lessons. And now let me show you inside the lessons. Here you can see these are 5 topics inside the lesson. Again, let's open this. Here you can see 5 topics inside the lesson, but I just realized that I forget to add the thumbnails. So let's add the thumbnail to this. I forget to add this thumbnail. So I'll go to the AI assistant, and I'll add this thumbnail to this course. So here is the course name, and from here we will, okay, when you will click here, there will be two options, the reference files and the content attachments. So reference files is for the AI, that AI will see that those reference files and do the task. So that will not be part of the content, but content attachment is will be saved to the library, and it will be part of the content. So we will select content attachment because thumbnail is the content of our course. So from here I'll go here, and from here I will select this was the, I think, course 3. So I'll add this AI Automation Builder 2026. So I'll upload this image. This image will upload here. When it will be uploaded, it will be shown here, appear here. Here you can see. Now I will just send it, and in a few seconds here you can see this is completed. It is also giving action completed. If you want to undo, you can undo from here. Okay, so let's go to this course again. Let's go and just edit this course again, and let's see. Here you can see the thumbnail is added, and I think I forget to add the thumbnails in all the courses. Let's add on it as well. So for this I'll copy its title, and I'll go here and I will add this thumbnail to this course. Here's the course, and from here we will select the thumbnail. Here you can see AI Engineer course 2026. Yes. So when it will be uploaded, we will send it to AI. So we will send it to AI. Once it will be done, from here now we can go and check it. Let's refresh the page, and now open in new tab. Here you can see the thumbnail is also attached. So in this way you can create the courses using AI.